How to jumpstart your car. See, my car won't start this morning. Like, the light barely turns on, but nothing whatsoever. So, what you want to do is you want to get one of these jumper boxes. This one is Schumacher. I mean, they sell them at AutoZone, any auto parts store. This one has a flashlight, so that's nice. You can actually kind of see what we're doing here. But yeah, it's like jumper cables, just without another car. You gotta make sure it's charged. Like this one charges. You plug it into an extension cord here. Man, you really can't see anything. Plug it into an extension cord in the wall, and then it charges it. And see, like right now, this is at full power. Yeah, that's what the green light means. But so, same as jumper cables, you just take the red, put it on red, red on red, red on red, and black on black. That's the battery. Yeah, so red is positive, black is negative. So yeah, you put that on there, and sometimes it might take a moment to start up. There we go. All right, it just took a moment there, a little scary. But anyway. Yeah, so my car has been sitting for a while in the cold, and that's just what killed it. And hopefully it doesn't need a new battery, but if you just drive it around after starting it, and that should get the alternator to charge the battery up again. If you drive it around, for like 15 to 30 minutes, and then it dies after like you stop the car and then you try to start it again and it doesn't turn on, then you probably need a new battery. All good. Like and subscribe.